How to get 500,000 plus miles out of your car without constant repairs. What if I told you that 82% of cars never make it past 150,000 miles, yet some vehicles blast past 500,000 without a rebuild? It's not luck. The real killers of modern engines aren't age or mileage, but hidden secrets the auto industry hopes you never discover. Today, I'm revealing 11 brutally honest, data-backed longevity hacks that can push your car past 700,000 miles. Don't miss Habit 5, because it prevents the most expensive failure in your entire car. Let's dive in. Trick number 11, the tire pressure rule that changes everything. Tire pressure is arguably the most critical and easiest to overlook maintenance task. Tires naturally lose 1 to 2 pounds per square inch per month, and temperature changes can drop pressure by another 5 to 10 pounds per square inch overnight. Underinflated tires by just 10% force your engine to work 15% harder, burning 3 to 5% more fuel and accelerating engine wear. Check your tire pressure monthly when tires are cold and maintain the exact pounds per square inch listed on your door jamb sticker. This single habit affects your entire vehicle's health, from fuel economy to transmission load to brake performance. Trick number 10, the smart 3,000-mile oil rule. Most drivers trust the 10,000-mile oil change interval in their owner's manual, but those numbers are designed for ideal conditions, not real-world driving. AAA studies found that extended oil intervals increase internal wear by up to 40%, especially in cars that take short trips or sit in traffic. Fresh oil. Every 3,000 to 5,000 miles creates the single most effective barrier against timing chain wear and sludge formation. Every time you change the oil, replace the filter too. The filter traps contaminants, so fresh oil does not circulate them. Trick number 9, the gearbox lifesaver routine. Most drivers never think about transmission fluid until the car starts slipping or jerking. By then, it's too late. The big myth is that modern transmissions use lifetime fluid. Lifetime usually means until the warranty ends, not until your car hits 300,000 miles. Heat is the silent killer. Automatic transmissions operate between 175 degrees and 220 degrees Fahrenheit, and every 20-degree increase cuts fluid lifespan in half. More than 60% of transmission failures are caused by overheated, broken-down fluid. Replace fluid every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, even if your manual claims otherwise. Fresh fluid keeps clutches cool, seals healthy, and gears shifting like new. Trick number 8, the silent fuel system keeper. Topping off your tank after the pump clicks might seem harmless, but it is one of the fastest ways to damage your fuel system. When you force extra fuel into the neck after automatic shutoff, that excess gasoline floods the charcoal canister in your evaporative system. Once soaked, it breaks apart internally, sending tiny charcoal particles into lines and valves. That leads to rough idling, hard starts, and repairs that easily hit $400 to $1,200. The pump clicks for a reason. Stop at the first click. Trick number 7, the Shift Smart ritual. Your gearbox is one of the most expensive systems in your car, yet also one of the easiest to damage. Hard shifts and quick slams into reverse send shock loads through the transmission. AMCO reports that improper shifting habits contribute to over 40% of early transmission failures. Come to a complete stop before changing direction. Pause 1 second before engaging reverse. This tiny routine prevents grinding under load and can add 100,000 miles to your transmission's lifespan. Thanks for sticking with me this far. If you want more high-mileage secrets that actually work, hit like and subscribe. The next habits are even more powerful. Trick number 6. Coolant truth check. Engine overheating is not random. It is almost always a cooling system that has been quietly degrading for months. Coolant slowly turns acidic, loses its corrosion inhibitors, and starts eating away at aluminum components. Studies show that neglected coolant increases the risk of catastrophic head gasket failure by nearly 40%. That repair can cost $1,500 to $3,000. Open the petcock and collect a sample in a clear container. Healthy coolant should look bright and clear. If it is brown, rusty, or murky, your system is overdue for a flush. Replace coolant every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, and you will prevent the single most expensive non-collision repair your car can face. Trick number 5. Parking power protector. Most drivers think the gear selector does all the work when they shift into park. They roll to a stop, slam it into park, and walk away. But that habit silently destroys the parking pal, a small metal lock inside your transmission that holds your vehicle's entire weight on an incline. When that pal fails, you are looking at $900 to $1,500 in repairs, and your car can roll away unexpectedly. The right sequence takes 2 extra seconds. Always engage the handbrake first, let the car settle its weight onto the brake, then shift into park. This simple habit can reduce pal wear by up to 70% and dramatically extend transmission life. I appreciate you watching this deeply. If this is helping you, hit like and subscribe. You will unlock even more proven tricks that could save you thousands. Trick number 4. Life-saving brake fluid. Flush. Brake fluid absorbs moisture from the air every single day through microscopic pores in your rubber brake lines. Within just 2 years, moisture content can reach 3%, which lowers the boiling point by almost half. When you are making hard stops, that contaminated fluid can boil, creating vapor bubbles that make your brake pedal go soft or even to the floor. Studies show moisture-contaminated brake fluid is also a leading cause of anti-lock braking system pump failures, often costing over $1,000 to replace. Flush your brake fluid completely every 2 to 3 years, and you protect both your safety and your wallet. Trick number 3. The power of quality plugs. Cheap spark plugs silently drain power and fuel economy without throwing a check engine light until it is too late. Worn or low-grade plugs can reduce fuel efficiency by up to 30%, and they can trigger misfires that damage your catalytic converter, which costs $800 to $2,000 to replace. Stick to original equipment manufacturer grade or premium iridium plugs and change them exactly on schedule. Quality plugs restore a smooth, idle, crisp acceleration and protect your catalytic converter from premature failure. Trick number 2. The quarter tank rule. When you regularly run below a quarter of a tank, the fuel pump loses the gasoline it relies on for cooling and lubrication. Industry teardown studies show pumps exposed to frequent low fuel conditions run up to 40 degrees hotter and fail 30% faster than pumps kept properly submerged. Keeping your tank above 1/4 at all times stabilizes pump temperatures, prevents debris from the bottom of the tank from getting sucked into the system, and protects a component that costs $600 to $1,200 to replace. Trick number 1. The smart warm-up routine. For years, drivers believed the right way to warm up a cold engine is to let it idle for 5 or 10 minutes before driving. But modern engines do not work like cars from the 1980s. Long idling washes excess fuel down cylinder walls, dilutes the oil, and accelerates wear on piston rings and valve seals. The Department of Energy found that extended idling can increase engine wear by up to 2/3 compared to gentle driving. The smart way is to give your engine 20 to 30 seconds after startup to circulate oil, then drive gently with light throttle. Test data shows engines warm up 40% faster when driving lightly than idling, which means less time in the high-wear cold phase and longer engine life overall. And there you have it, the 11 habits that push ordinary cars into the 300,000-mile club and beyond. If you found even one tip that can save your engine or your wallet, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment sharing your current mileage. I would love to hear how far your car has made it and which habit you are fixing first.